Good morning, students. Let's see the second question in amalgamation of firm. So first sum we already done about the Prem and Raj and company. So in this second sum, one extra new adjustment is given, and that is about the capital reconstruction. 37,500 each. So that's a new adjustment. For that purpose, we special account prepare, and after that we do the balance sheet. Now let's we analyze the question. Balance sheet given as on 31st March 21. Liability side, asset side. Land is given, machinery is given, furniture is given, data is given, stock is given, cash is given, bank is given, and we have capital M, N, R, S 36,000 each. 36,000, 36,000, 36,000, 36,000. We have creditor 54,000 and 36,000. Loan. MN we don't have the loan. RS we have loan. Outstanding expenses and total is given both side. Now let's see the adjustment. Goodwill of MNN will get 35,000 and 25,000 for RNS. Now let's see the revalue of the assets and liability. Land 45,000, 45,000. Old we have 36,000 and 47,400. Machinery new value is given 30,000, 32,000. Furniture 10,000, 12,000. So what happened? Land we have new revalue. Machinery we have the revalue. Furniture we have the revalue. Debtors 21,000, 30,000 we have the revalue. Again stock we have the revalue. Cash as it is, book value and book value. Bank book value. After that creditor also revalue. So creditors 52,000 and 34,000. After that we have loans. Kitna? 38,000. So that is also revalue 38,000. Old is 39,600. Outstanding expenses remain same. 7,200, 11,000. Prepare the necessary ledger account. In ledger account, we always prepare the first item purchase consideration. Second item in the books of M and N, we prepare the Reliance account, partners capital account, and new firm. Again in the books of second company RNS, we prepare the purchase consideration. Sorry, not purchase consideration. Reliance account, partners capital account, and new firm account, and after that we prepare the balance sheet. While preparing the balance sheet, this adjustment will be taken into consideration, that 37,500 should be brought by the each partner. So this is question analysis. After let's we prepare the PC already done. So we prepare the in the books of R and S. Which account? Reliance account, partners capital account, and new firm account. So in this case we prepare the 3 account. So first we prepare the realization account. (15 lines). How many lines? 15 lines. After that we prepare the partners capital account. Partners capital account. Again we will take the 8 lines. After that we will prepare the new firm account. We will take the 5 lines. So this is a new firm account. Particular rupees. Particular rupees. So in this case we will pay partners capital account. Partner RS, and this is our particular. This is our particular debit side, credit side. Now in this case, debit side, credit side. Now this is our in the books of R and S. Which account? Realization account. So debit side, particular rupees, particular rupees, debit side and credit side. So let's start one by one. So we know that first step we have to prepare in the books of realization, transfer the all asset realization account debit side. So first we write it to sundry asset. To sundry asset. Book value we have to transfer. Whatever the amount is in the balance sheet, all we have to transfer here. So land. How much land is given? Book value 47,400 given in balance sheet. After that we have given machinery. Machinery how much given? 28,800. After that we have given furniture. Furniture is given 12,600. After that we have given debtors. Debtors how much given? 30,600. 30,600. Stock is given 32,400. 32,400. Cash is given 1,800. 1,800. Bank is given 5,400. So this is a all asset. We have transfer realization account debit side. And which value? Book value and book value. So if you take total all of this 47,400 plus 28,800 plus 12,600 plus 30,600 plus 32,400 plus 1,800 plus 5,400, we will get total 1,59,000. 1,59,000. So first duty is over. Now second duty, all liability transfer to realization account credit side. So buy sundry liabilities. Buy sundry liabilities. We know the journal entry. Sundry liability account debit to realization. So this is realization account credit side. Buy sundry liability. And we have three liabilities. First, creditors. First, creditors. See the creditors how much given? 36,000. How much given? 36,000. We have loan. Loan in first company we don't have loan, but in second company we have loan. 39,600. After that we have the outstanding expenses. Outstanding expenses. How much given? 11,400. 11,400. If you total take of this 0, 0, 0, 10, carry 1, 7, carry 1, 8. So 87,000. So asset total 1,59,000. And this our liability 87,000. Now asset over, liability over. Now we will do partners capital account credit side. Buy, balance, brought down. How much given? 36,000. 36,000 given in the question. In this case, GR is not given. Still we are writing for practice. General reserve account, dash and dash. If given, we always distribute it among the partner in their profit sharing ratio. And when profit sharing ratio is not given, we will transfer equally, equally and equally. So asset is over, liability is over, capital is over, GR is over. Now very important, purchase consideration due. PC means amount payable by buyer to seller. So new our journal entry for PC, new firm account debit to relation. So new firm account debit side to realization account. Which account? Realization account. And bracket में क्या लिखना है? PC, purchase consideration. We already calculate PC. कितना है? 96,800. कितना दिया? 96. We already calculate from PC. 96,800. And second effect, realization account credit side by new firm account. Bracket में PC, purchase consideration. How much coming? 96,800. 96,800. So in this question, there is no asset taken over and there is no liability taken over. So that partners capital account debit to relation will not become here because the adjustment is not given on asset. That asset taken over is not given, so will not. So all posting are over. So first we have to close which account? Realization account. So first we will take the credit side total. Credit side total. So 0, 0, 8, 6 plus 6, 13, carry 1, 8. 1,83,800. So same total we will at debit side 1,83,800. From this we minus 1,59,000. So we will get profit 24,800. 24,800. Now this is called to profit on relation. POR, profit on relation. POR, profit on relation. So we have given ratio 3 and 2. See the question में ratio दिया है 3:2. So this profit divided between the ratio is given equally. Ratio is given equally 1:1. So this profits go to R. R को आधा कितना? 1, 2, 4. 12,400. S 12,400. If ratio is given 3:2, we will divide this ratio in the 3:2. But ratio is given 1:1, so आधा आधा. That profit on relation will transfer partners capital account credit side by profit. By profit कितना दिया? 12,400. 12,400. 12,400. 12,400. Now we will close partners capital account. Which account? Partners capital account. Total यहाँ पे लेंगे. So very simple 0, 0, 4, 8 and 4. So again 48,400. 48,400. So यहाँ पे लिखेंगे 2 new firm account. Which account? New firm account. Bracket में लिखें balancing figure. So total will come 48,400. 48,400. That total same we will write here. So balancing figure 48,400. 48,400. So same total will transfer where? New firm account. So new firm account. So by partners capital account, पहला कौन है आर, आर का कितना है 48,400 और एस का कितना है 48,400. Now this total should be tally. How much tally? 96,800 and this also 96,800. 0 0 8 8 plus 8 16 carry 1 4 plus 4 plus 1 96. So this is 96,800. In this way we have to tally the new firm account in case of amalgamation of firm. Practice this sum and all the best for your exam.